Hi there, my name is William Guidry. I'm from Houston, Texas, and I was able to participate in the India Study Abroad program as an MBA student. My background is chemical engineering, but I'm also an entrepreneur. I've owned ventures in the past, and I hope to do so in the near future. So the experience for me has been so immersive and so broad because I was able to take in India. I was able to take in the sights, the sounds, and the smells that make this country so special. But in addition to that, I was able to expand myself intellectually. I enjoyed the lectures and the discussions, the group projects, and meeting all of the students. Really, the beauty of India to me is in the people. To that point, we had many guest speakers that were able to come and talk to us. And those guest speakers, along with the faculty, made this program so special. So I say thank you to them for all that they put into it and how much effort they gave for each of us as students. So I look forward to crossing paths with many of these people in the future, but in the meantime, I will never forget my experience in India.
Start.
Hello, I'm Dhananjay Kamat from the BVB College. I am cements and mechanical engineer. I opted this course of CTE, the Principles and Innovations of Entrepreneurship, because I thought I really needed this one. You can see the culture present in India is that of soon after graduating from BVB from any colleges for that matter, is you go on a job hunt. But I thought why that is required when you have a population of 1.2 billion people and GDP growth rate which is second highest in the world when compared to America. India has huge potential. And there is no entrepreneurial talent to tackle this thing. So I opted this course, and I was very happy to find my friends who, with interaction with the Americans, that was just quite great, because I never knew when we interact with people from other countries, different culture, race, you get myriad ideas. That has hugely benefited me. I was always, I always used to think inside the box, but after I befriended them, I've started thinking outside the box. And the brainstorming session that we usually have in the afternoon sessions has, opened the parachute of my mind, and this is just great. Multidisciplinary experience that I get. We have nurses in our course, we have MBA students, we have graduate engineers, we have friends from various departments, and when we get together, the product that comes out and the thought process, everything when it mixes up, the product that we get is just amazing. So I highly recommend this course to you. This helped me a lot. Thank you.
I'm Padmaja Masha from 5th semester IS from BVB campus. To talk about this course, one thing comes to my mind. That's one word comes to my mind. That's wow. The course overall has been a wonderful experience, mingling with the foreign students and doing the different exercises, the course, overall it has been a wonderful experience. The students are very compatible, they are friendly, they mix up, they mingle very well. They have been great with the assigned teams also. In my team also, I have been very lucky to have one of them as my teammate. And the classrooms, they have been very interactive. Very unusual experience for someone with the normal course we are going through. And yeah, and the learning experiences, whatever I have learned about entrepreneurship is of different types and how we can approach different things, different people. It has been vast, you can't just sum it up, but yeah, overall entrepreneurship has been At last I was lucky enough to get into the course. I was last one to get enrolled in this, and I'm very thankful for Nitin sir to have enrolled me and giving me this experience, also Ashwin sir, and yeah, thank you UMASS.
Brian Morley, and I'm an MBA student at the University of Massachusetts Lowell. Speaking of my experiences here in India, I had the opportunity to travel ahead of time before class began. I got to see quite a bit of both North and South India, from the Taj Mahal to the Taj Mahal Palace down in Mumbai. And I think the one thing that fascinated me about seeing all the different places and different regions was how old things are here in the history. Such a rich history that is fascinating. As Americans, America is only a couple hundred years old, so it's a baby in the world. And to see some ancient ruins that are 5,000 years old is really interesting. As far as the class goes, I think the main takeaways that I learned is we had a bunch of guest speakers, and I learned a lot about entrepreneurship and really what it takes to become an entrepreneur and the commitment and drive that's required. We heard a lot of guest speakers talk about you know, the time they put in and a lot of the failures. I think that's a big thing I took away too, was that a lot of them had failures and it was okay to fail, and you can continue on and be successful after that. Those were my main takeaways from this course.
Hi everyone, my name is Gagandeep Posmani. I'm from 7th Sem Mechanical Department. Speaking about the CTE course, I think it was really very well structured, and the plans went according to the course actually, and I'm really very happy that I'm a part of this. And speaking about the learning experience, the cross-cultural learning with the US students and with us actually, it was really good. The way we used to share experiences and the classroom experiences, the different views of US and the views of Indian culture, it was overall an awesome experience. And making a final note, I think everyone must really look forward to this, to join this course. And yeah, thank you.